wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best tie-dye kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Cool Maker Tidy Dye Station helps to keep the mess to a minimum by employing a simple machine to do some of the work. It's got 5 pods containing pre-treated string that transfer the pigment onto fabrics as you turn it around on a roller. It includes a headband and a tote bag. However, there aren't many designs, and it doesn't work with large garments. At number 9, the Tulip 43192 provides a fun way to create your own fashion accessories like a scarf, a headband, or a scrunchie, which are all included, along with protective gloves and a how-to guide for ideas. This set's also available with 4 pairs of patterned socks instead. It comes with 5 colors, and the fabric is 100% cotton. There's no need to pre-soak. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the applicators in the SEI 6-1396 come with spray tops, providing different effects from squeezable ones. While this version of the 3-pack features neon pigments, it's also available in a variety of alternative combinations, including camo, sunset, and shibori. It's water-based and non-toxic, and these can be blended for more colors. However, it does require a hairdryer or iron to set. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tie-dye kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a good choice for anyone throwing a creative party, the Tulip One Step 34723 boasts enough supplies for up to 36 projects, and the process is relatively simple. It's got 18 large squeeze bottles and plenty of plastic gloves too, so it should accommodate large groups. It features highly concentrated solutions, a protective cover, and a reusable snap lock bin. Moving up our list to number 6. If you know what you're doing, the turquoise, yellow, and fuchsia in the Phoenix Vital Life RIT can be blended to make almost any color. Once you have the right hues, there's a detailed how-to guide for creating lots of funky designs. It comes with enough for up to 6 t-shirts and the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. However, the included gloves aren't very durable. Halfway up our list at number 5. The RIT 85847 includes everything you need to practice different forms of the art of shibori, including itajimi, a shape resist technique that involves clamping your folded cloth between 2 squares and then dipping it into the indigo colorant. The instructions are easy to follow, and a fixative chemical reduces bleeding. It works on many types of fabric. At number 4, if you're planning a large school project or summer camp activity, the Jacquard Class Pack can supply up to 30 people with everything they need to decorate their own garments. The 3 extra empty bottles for mixing custom hues are a welcome addition. It includes a soda ash fixative and a box of 100 gloves, and there's a helpful video tutorial online too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the SEI Tumble Dye Classic spans the entire rainbow, so you can create those authentic 60s inspired designs. The spray applicators make this set particularly useful for stencil work and ombre fades, as well as resist techniques. It boasts 8 colors in 2-ounce bottles that are pre-mixed and ready to use. No soaking or washing is required. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tie-dye kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, good for family get-togethers, the Tulip DC 31679 includes 12 big tubes of pigment and plenty of protective gear. The one-step process eliminates the need for the pre-wash and fixing stages, which can both contain irritants, making it a safe and simple choice for youngsters. It features a detailed guide for 8 styles and makes up to 36 pieces. The finished items are machine washable. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the jacquard JAC 9325 produces colors that last and is a good choice for solo projects. There's plenty of fixative to minimize bleeding, 3 bottles of pre-measured Procyon MX dyes, and a DVD showing multiple folding and tying techniques to get you started. There's also an extra empty applicator for mixing, and this one's good for up to 15 adult shirts. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tie-dye kits, or simply click beneath this video.